As long as the mankind exists, the concept of dance has been playing a significant role in it.
Various cultures express themselves differently with the help of body moves, music, even Russian reserved culture.
What do you mean, Tony? Do you mean that Russians don't dance?
Absolutely not. Well, not exactly. Yes and no, and they're moving into the right direction with the help of Latin Americans.
What? You, a Canadian guy, can know about Latin American dances?
Well, actually quite a lot. I opened my own LA dance studio in Toronto and it became the second largest in the entire Canada.
Wow, that sounds really great. So, dear GA Club members, this time we will not only make you participate in our discussion, but also will make you participate in our dance workshop with Anthony Spring
And Daryl Locksmith.